Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Today I wanna present or have a picture method to present the Japan country. Okay. Japan country have a capital city. There is Tokyo, especially in here. Yeah. Then the population per 2023 is uh what's that? Yes, population is 124.5 million in 2023. Yes, and then next. Nah, Japan have a flag is named Hinomaru. He have a flag like white, and then there is a circle, a red circle in the middle. Okay, in Japan, not like Indonesia. Indonesia is Democrat. If in Japan is have a Kaisar in and a Prime Minister. The Kaisar of Japan now is Naruhito, and then the Prime Minister is Shigeru Ishiba. Next, the currency of Japan is yen. Japan to have a national anthem. Name is Kimigayo for national anthem of Japan. Culture in Japan, I take one best culture or I like this culture in Japan is Hanabi or looking some fireworks like fireworks festival or the other name is firework festival or in Japan is Hanabi. Yeah. Typical food. This is my favorite typical food in Japan is sushi. Sushi is like there's rice, there is what the ornament is salmon, and then the vegetable and others, and then you roll it. After that, you cut until little like this cylinder. Okay, and then ramen is like noodle, and give it some ornament others like egg and meat or nori kento. Okay, tourism place in Japan. There is many tourism place, but in here I just put a two most tourism place. The first is Kinkakuji is or like a quill or motel in Indonesia is motel like that, but it's traditional like the building like quill, but like quill, yes, like castle, but this is in Edo era is for we can stay in that. Or the second is Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is like popular mount in the world because it's a good views and the uh, the identic is have snow in above of the mount. The next is university. University in Japan or a school in Japan have many good university. The first is Tokyo Daigaku or University of Tokyo. There is top one university in Japan, and Tokyo Daigaku a good get a good what was, get a good predicate from the world because that is good for technology and others. Hokkaido too. Hokkaido is most popular university in Japan. Next. Okay, our destination is Mount Fuji because if you go to Japan, you must minimal one time look the Mount Fuji and look the views. Yeah, but exactly I'm not yet look the Mount Fuji. It's in real life. Yeah, Yes, my friend ever look the Mount Fuji. Okay, the famous product is I take a car product in yes car product. There is a Toyota because Toyota in Indonesia is many or most car in Indonesia ya. If you go to until you go to the your hometown like in Kalimantan, there is the car is Toyota that is famous ya. There is many the product of Toyota car. Okay, I take two most famous film and movie from Japan. The first is a Godzilla minus one. There is Godzilla minus one is like a prequel of Godzilla, but it's a different story from Godzilla. There is Godzilla what? Godzilla. There is Hydra. There's a different story. And then this One Piece is like some anime or animation for from Japan. I take One Piece because that is number one anime ya. I look in Google ya. This the number one film good that I take because it's famous from Japan. Oh, this One Piece have producer or mangaka made by Eiichiro Oda or public figure Eiichiro Oda. Eiichiro Oda. Eiichiro Oda is mangaka uh, for One Piece. Transportation in Japan, there is public transportation. There is usual train and or there is bullet train or usually we know is the Shinkansen ya or bullet train is great fastest train in Japan. And then Japan people or people in there usually for transportation every day use bicycle because I don't know why Japan. I look the transportation every use bicycle go to anywhere. Japan have four season. Japan have season. First is in here ya. I look winter in here. Winter. What the name? Oh, snow. Yes, because in Japan I think not tropical ya. Is subtropis ya. After winter, this is spring. Yes, winter transition to spring, and then transition to summer, and then transition to autumn fall, and then go to winter again. That is season for Japan because Indonesia just have a two season. The first is what's we summer and rainy. Yeah, no, there is no snowy. There is no snow. Yes, Indonesia just have rainy season. Typical plant or flower is most famous flower is sakura. Every autumn or spring, in spring sakura have growing his what the floor, and then uh, in the fall autumn in the autumn season he in the autumn season he of all the sakura flower. Okay, that's a good view if you look the real sakura trees. And then famous sport in Japan I look ya in Doraemon is the Nobita after playing baseball with Giant, yeah, that I think baseball is famous sport in there. And then I know sumo is from Japan, yeah. It's like judo, but the player is a big, made a big player. The traditional clothes from Japan is the name is kimono. There's like traditional clothes from Indonesia, like kebaya. That but kimono is look like have a sarung, and then have a jacket. There is inner too, like that is kimono, traditional clothes from Japan. Next is unique things in Japan is Japan. Japan is a country that the high discipline people, yeah, high SDM, because look in here. This is Shibuya cross line Shibuya. When the traffic or the traffic light red, the car, sorry, the car the car must stop his speed, yeah. And then the people in here, he can cross the line after the traffic light, back to green light. The people who cross the line is must to have is must to done to go to the his target is across the line lah. Okay, okay, thank you. That is my explanation about Japan country. Maybe I have some wrong information. You can write in the comment in the komentar, ya. You can comment if I have wrong information. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.